A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 things that you should do and Allah will accept your fasting. Number 1 thing that you should do is be thankful to your Lord in every situation. We often forget our Lord whenever we receive any blessing. We only remember Allah whenever we are in trouble, right? And Allah has condemned such people many times in the Quran who are not thankful to Allah. And besides, Allah gave them many blessings, but they were ungrateful. So Allah wants to remind you that be thankful to me. He himself says in the Quran that if you'll be thankful to me, I'll give you more. As this month is a month of blessing, be thankful to the Lord that He gave you this month and all the other things that He has already given to you. Like our people who are suffering in war, take inspiration from them. Whatever they are left with, they are thankful to their Lord, and that's why they are fasting. And Allah accepts fasting of such people who are always thankful to Him. Number 2 thing that you should do is give some charity. If you are earning, spend some amount of it for preparing iftar meals for the people who are unprivileged, for the kids who are unprivileged. Spend your money in the way of Allah, like Bibi Khadija did, peace be upon her, as 5 days ago it was her martyrdom anniversary. So like as she spent her wealth for the sake of the religion, for the sake of Allah, for the sake of His Prophet, you can also spend some amount of your earning in this month for the sake of Allah, for the sake of Prophet. And in return, He will give you more. Number 3 thing that you should do is stop listening to haram music, haram songs. I'm sure in this month many people will have stopped listening to haram songs. But I know when this month is over, they're gonna go back to those songs. So develop the habit of listening to the songs, or I would say nasheeds. There are many nasheeds, naats, that you can hear in this month, and there are specific nasheeds which are made for this month. There's a great alternative for haram songs, and you can listen to them in other months also. As fasting is not just to be hungry and thirsty, your ears must abstain from listening to haram. Listen to the content which takes you closer to Allah, and not the content which take you away from the reality, from your religion, and make you a degenerate. Because the sole purpose of these modern day songs is to spread degeneracy. So switch to halal. Follow these 3 things and your fasting will be fruitful.